Some good news for the residents of Mukuru Sinai, where for many of them, access to justice has long remained out of reach. But a special legal and clinic organized by Mount Kenya University in partnership with the African Women Global Network is changing that narrative. The initiative has not only offered free legal assistance, but also empowered residents with knowledge of their rights and the steps they can take to seek justice. Our very own Susan Locho reports.
For many residents in Mukuru Sinai, the journey to justice often begins with more questions than answers. However, today the answers came directly to the community. Students of Mount Kenya University School of Law, in partnership with African Women Global Network, visited different parts of the neighborhood, listening to residents' experiences and reaching out to those in need of legal assistance.
We have realized that the community here is lacking the adequate information, the adequate legal information to assist them with their cases. Majority don't know their rights in marriages, in informal relationships.
The student-led outreach continued at the Sinai Rehabilitation Center, where conversations led to practical lessons on legal rights. Residents were given the opportunity to ask questions, learn about the laws that govern and protect them, and familiarize with steps they should take when their rights have been violated.
So we deal with GBV matters, sexual abuse. We also deal with succession matters. We deal with landlord issues, because those are the issues that you mostly find in Mukuru.
The discussions reveal that many residents are still unaware of their fundamental legal rights. Women living in come-we-stay marriages who identify as among those facing significant challenges, often leaving them without protection and legal remedies they deserve.
We've also spoken to a lot of widows who are facing abuse not only from the families but also from the communities. And so these issues are so pertinent. And another thing I have noted is that the community really needs the help of counselors.
For the residents, the legal clinic was about more than the law. It marks the beginning of better understanding that justice is within reach when people know their rights and where to seek help.
Na wamama tumesaidika sana, cause wamama kwa community tunakuanga tumefinyiliwa, wengine tunaogopa kuongea, but hapa nimepatana na mawakili na counselors ambao wamenisaidia.
For the law students, the outreach gave them the opportunity to engage directly with the community, understand the legal challenges residents face, and apply their knowledge in practical setting while providing guidance to those in need.
Today they've done fantastic, especially because the weather changed, it started raining. They adapted very quickly, and they've had, from their feedback, they have had an excellent time in terms of even learning.
It exposes us to what happens on the ground. You know, in school we learn various theories, various laws, but now when we come to the ground, we get to understand what people are facing.
Justice should not be a privilege reserved for just those who can afford it. Today at Mukuru Sinai, the free legal aid is giving residents more than just legal advice. It's giving them a voice and the confidence to stand up and fight for their rights. Susan Locho for TV 47, Mukuru Sinai, Nairobi.